A compact multi-tool knife is more than just gear, it's everyday confidence in your pocket, ready to tackle tasks big or small with precision, versatility, and unmatched convenience. Here are the best multi-tool knives for self-defense and everyday use. All mentioned knives links are in the description. Number 20. Leatherman Wave. This multi-tool knife is designed for everyday use, for working on DIY projects, fixing things around the house, gardening, or heading outdoors. Built to last, and it is backed by a 25-year warranty, it's crafted with quality materials to handle daily wear and tear. Compact and lightweight at just 8.5 ounces, it's easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Ideal for anyone who likes to be prepared, this tool includes a saw, spring-action scissors, ruler, and more, perfect for small tasks or bigger jobs. It now features upgraded, replaceable wire cutters for long-term use. Number 19. SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle. This compact multi-tool is cleverly designed as a belt buckle, making it easy to carry every day without taking up pocket space. It is made from durable stainless steel. It includes practical tools like a knife, pliers, crimpers, screwdriver, and a 3-sided file. It fits belts up to 1.375 inches wide and is perfect for camping, fishing, or everyday tasks. The design allows you to remove the multi-tool without opening the pliers, keeping it quick and simple to use. A secure locking system ensures it stays firmly in place when not in use. Built for convenience and durability, it's a great tool for anyone who likes to stay prepared. With proper care, it's made to last a lifetime. Number 18. SOG PowerAccess Assist. This full-size multi-tool is a great everyday companion for anyone who needs quick access to useful tools. It's designed for easy one-handed use, allowing you to open blades and tools quickly with the help of an assisted opening feature. Once opened, each tool locks into place, making it safe and reliable to use. It includes strong pliers that use a special mechanism to give you more cutting and gripping power than regular pliers. There's also a magnetic bit holder in the center, adding even more versatility. Built for everyday tasks and quick fixes, this tool is packed with 21 features to help you handle almost anything. It also comes with a handy carrying case, making it a smart addition to your daily gear. Number 17. Victorinox Swiss Tool. This compact multi-tool is perfect for tackling a wide range of tasks. It offers an impressive 26 functions, including pliers, wire cutters, saws, blades, a bottle opener, and more, making it a reliable solution for everyday use and unexpected situations. But despite its small size, it works like a full toolbox that fits right in your pocket. It's built with great attention to detail, using high-quality materials that are made to last. It is designed with precision and functionality in mind. This tool helps you stay ready for anything. Its smart design and solid build make it an ideal choice for those who need dependable performance without carrying bulky gear. Number 16. Gerber Gear Center Drive. This multi-tool is a reliable all-in-one solution, perfect for handling a wide variety of tasks. It features 16 useful tools, including a strong knife, needle nose pliers, screwdriver, wire cutter, pry bar, and more. A 12-piece bit set and a convenient sheath are also included for easy carrying and quick access. The screwdriver is specially designed to line up like a real one, giving you better control and more power when turning screws. The spring-loaded pliers can be opened with just one hand, making it easy to use even in tough situations. Built for durability and convenience, this tool is great for everyday tasks or outdoor adventures. Its smart design and practical features make it a dependable companion wherever you go. Number 15. Leatherman Free P2. It includes 19 useful tools like wire cutters, spring-action scissors, and several screwdrivers, all accessible from the outside, so you can open them with one hand. Thanks to its magnetic locking system, each tool opens smoothly and locks in place with a firm click, giving you confidence during use. It is designed to fit comfortably in your hand. It's easy to use and perfect for home projects, work tasks, or everyday carry. It also comes with a durable nylon sheath for protection and easy access. Built with high-quality materials and backed by a long-term warranty, this multi-tool is made to last and ready to help you handle almost any job with ease. Number 14. Leatherman Skeletool CX. This compact multi-tool is perfect for everyday use and outdoor adventures. It combines the simplicity of a pocket knife with added functions like pliers, wire cutters, a bit driver, and a bottle opener. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's ideal for camping, hiking, or just keeping on hand for quick fixes at home or in the garden. Built with strong materials and designed to last, this tool is made for reliability and ease of use. It weighs only 5 ounces, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. Number 13. SOG PowerPint Mini. This compact multi-tool is perfect for everyday use and outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and fishing. It includes 18 useful tools in one small design, such as pliers, scissors, blades, screwdrivers, and a magnetic bit holder, making it a handy choice for many tasks. Though it's small and light, it offers strong performance similar to larger tools. Thanks to a special gear system, it gives extra power when cutting or tightening. The sharp straight edge and serrated blades are made from strong stainless steel, so they're reliable and tough enough for various jobs. At just over 4 ounces and about 3 inches long when closed, it fits easily in your pocket, bag, or toolkit, making it a great companion for everyday use or emergencies. Number 12. Victorinox Swiss Army Knife. This small and handy pocket knife is built to handle everyday tasks and unexpected situations with ease. Its compact size makes it easy to carry without taking up much space, making it a reliable companion for daily use, travel, or outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's strong, durable, and built to last. Its sleek design fits comfortably in your hand or pocket, and it's ideal for a variety of uses. This tool is crafted with care and attention to detail, offering dependable performance in a slim and lightweight form. It's a great gift option too, suitable for all occasions and backed by a strong commitment to long-lasting quality. Number 11. Gerber Gear Armbar Drive. This compact 8-in-1 multi-tool packs a lot of useful features into a slim, pocket-friendly design. It includes a sturdy knife blade, scissors, a bottle opener, a bit driver with 2 sides, a small pry bar, an awl, and even a mini hammer. Everything you might need for daily tasks or outdoor use. Built with strong stainless steel and a grippy aluminum handle, it's made to last through tough jobs. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack, making it a great companion for camping, hiking, or quick repairs around the house. Number 10. Leatherman Micra. This small and handy keychain-sized multi-tool is packed with 10 useful tools, making it perfect for everyday needs. It includes spring-action scissors, a knife, tweezers, nail file, and more, all weighing just 1.8 ounces. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprising amount of functionality for quick fixes and personal care. It's great for tackle boxes, keychains, or even your backpack. With a key ring attachment, it's easy to keep close and ready when you need it most. Made with strong materials and backed by a long-term warranty, it's built to last and handle life's little tasks with ease. Number 9. Gerber Gear Dime. This small and handy multi-tool packs 12 useful tools into a compact, easy-to-carry design. It includes needle nose pliers, wire cutters, tweezers, scissors, a knife blade, 2 screwdrivers, a file, and even a special opener for retail packages. There's also a bottle opener, making it a practical everyday carry tool for all kinds of tasks. Made of strong stainless steel, it's built to handle tough jobs and outdoor adventures. The smart butterfly-style opening keeps the tool safe and secure when not in use. Weighing just over 2 ounces and measuring less than 3 inches when closed, it's small enough to fit in your pocket or attach to your keychain. A reliable tool for camping, work, and everyday use. Number 8. GIRIAITUS Carabiner Multitool. This compact multi-tool offers 8 useful functions, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures and daily tasks. It includes a folding knife, serrated edge, rope cutter, screwdriver, bottle and can opener, and a small ruler, all in one handy clip-on tool. Built with a strong locking system, it ensures safety while being used for climbing or other rugged activities. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry on a keychain, belt loop, or backpack. The one-hand open and close design adds convenience, especially during camping, hiking, or biking trips. It also makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys the outdoors or needs a practical tool on hand. Number 7. Real Avid Gun Tool Max. This all-in-one multi-tool is perfect for anyone who owns rifles or shotguns, especially hunters and shooting enthusiasts. It includes 37 handy tools like a knife, pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, carbon scrapers, a pin punch, and a choke wrench that fits multiple gauge sizes. There are also bits, a bit driver, and even a mini hammer and bottle opener for convenience. The knife blade is made from strong stainless steel, and the bit driver locks in 3 positions for better control. Designed for both field and everyday use, this multi-tool covers everything from making quick gun adjustments to handling small repairs. It comes with a tough nylon sheath that can attach to a belt or gear, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Number 6. Gerber Gear Lockdown Slim. This slim and compact multi-tool packs 7 useful features into a lightweight design, making it perfect for everyday carry. It includes a folding knife with a secure liner lock, scissors, a pry bar, flathead screwdrivers, a nail puller, and a bottle opener. With a built-in pocket clip, it's easy to keep it close and ready for use whenever needed. Measuring just under 4 inches when closed and weighing only 4 ounces, it fits comfortably in your pocket or gear bag without taking up much space. Made from durable stainless steel, it's tough enough for outdoor use, job sites, and daily tasks. Ideal for camping, hiking, or quick fixes around the house, it's built to handle whatever comes your way and backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 5. SOG PowerLitre Mini. This compact multi-tool is packed with 19 handy tools in a small and lightweight design, offering the convenience of a full-size tool in a portable size. Despite being only 5 inches long and weighing just 4.6 ounces, it includes essentials like pliers, scissors, a knife, a corkscrew, and a magnetic hex bit holder, making it great for both work and leisure. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to handle a variety of tasks while resisting rust and wear. The tool also features advanced leverage technology, giving you extra gripping and cutting power with less effort. Perfect for everyday use, camping, travel, or keeping in your car or backpack, it's a reliable tool that's easy to carry wherever life takes you. Number 4. RoverTac Pocket Knife Multi-Tool. This multi-tool combines the usefulness of a pocket knife with essential tools like pliers, screwdrivers, a saw, bottle opener, and more. It's perfect for everyday tasks, outdoor trips, and emergency use. Made from strong stainless steel with a tough black finish, it's built to handle rough conditions during camping, hiking, or repairs. The tool has a non-slip aluminum handle for a firm grip and a liner lock system to keep everything secure while in use. Lightweight and compact, it easily fits in your pocket, backpack, or car, making it super convenient to carry. Great for outdoor lovers and DIY fans, this multi-tool is a practical gift. It also comes with a lifetime warranty and friendly customer support for peace of mind. Number 3. NexTool W4 Ratchet Wrench. This foldable multi-tool is designed for strength and everyday use. Made with tough steel, it includes a sharp knife, sturdy pliers, a locking saw, an adjustable ratchet wrench, and hidden screwdriver bits. It's perfect for camping or emergency repairs. Its ratchet mechanism saves time by reducing repetitive movements, while the compact design fits easily in your pocket or bag. Despite weighing just 11 ounces, it offers solid performance and a comfortable grip that makes long tasks easier. It comes with a strong nylon pouch for safe storage and carrying. With its practical design and stylish packaging, it makes a great gift. Backed by lifetime support and a 30-day return policy, it's a tool you can trust. Number 2. WILLUCK Multitool Pocket Knife. This compact multi-tool is a great choice for anyone who needs a practical and thoughtful gift. With tools like a knife, scissors, saw, bottle opener, can opener, double-sided file, glass breaker, and belt clip, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or daily use. It's made from strong stainless steel that resists rust and is designed with comfort in mind, offering a solid grip and easy handling. Its small size and belt clip make it easy to carry, like having a mini toolbox in your pocket. It's sure to surprise and impress anyone who receives it. Number 1. GIRIAITUS EDC Pry Bar Multitool. This handy multi-tool is designed for everyday use and outdoor needs. It includes a sturdy pry bar, screwdriver with a rotating compartment, magnetic pen, wrenches, crowbar, bottle opener, and box opener. The bi-directional ratchet screwdriver fits only the included bits and is easy to use. The built-in magnetic pen is waterproof, fireproof, and smash-proof. Great for writing or signing documents anywhere, even in rough conditions. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into a pocket or clips onto a belt with the removable back clip. A thoughtful gift idea, especially for holidays or anyone who enjoys practical gadgets in their daily routine. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more EDC gear reviews, and comment your favorite multi-tool below. Thanks for watching.